All right, today we got a 2006. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not sure what year it is. Today we got a 2014 Denali. So we're gonna remove the stereo. We're gonna put an aftermarket radio in. I'm gonna do it this way since this is. I'm gonna try it this way without trying to damage any them plastic like this a bit. Going on right here, how about here, and pull it out. It's just a clip, and you need a 7mm. Going with the 7mm, remove all four. You know what? I'm supposed to check and see if the customer's radio working or what happened to it. No power. So there's power, but the screen is damaged. So let me try reverse real quick. See if the reverse has been working or not. Okay, it's working. So all right, we're gonna remove it out. So this is DVD monitor output. Input, probably that monitor over there. This is the camera. We're gonna just unplug all. Ooh, whoa. Yeah, we're gonna remove all of this out right here. Pretend this is a factory. Right. So customer bought the wrong piece. This is a 14. I think 13 will fit it perfectly. If you look at it right here, it's kind of not, it doesn't fit right. So I might have to make it work. See, yes, see that? So I'm gonna have to cut it somehow. Either I cut this or I'm not exactly sure. The wiring is the same. So if you're looking at it right here, it's not gonna go in. So I might have to trim down a little bit of piece to make it fit. This one fit right, but it's not fitting up here because of that piece. I might just trim that down just a little bit right there, but it doesn't look so good though after that because it's not made for this one. It's probably a 13. 14 is a little bit different. The plug, it came with the jacks, the door chime, the backup camera, the USB, the antenna, the GPS, the whole screen right here. Look right here, if you look at right there, we're gonna have to cut right here for that, right here, trim it around, circle right there, circle right here, and then trim a little bit right there to get it up. And then it should go all the way in. I mean it fit, but like I said, it just right there. So I'm gonna trim that using an oscillating tool. So I use a cloth tape made by Black Hole, trying to cover that, kind of make it look okay, decent. I mean, I told the customer it's not gonna be the best. I mean, I hate to say it's more of a hack job, but hey, something can work right here. So I'm gonna grab this piece. Because you can't do anything else later, so I'm gonna just put it right this, and then up like so. Hopefully it'll work now because I got too thick. Hopefully it's not that thick. Come on, baby. My main thing is this piece right here I'm worried about. Just tiny. I guess it looks okay. Come on, baby. Problem is, I'm trying to get this thing up. What if, yeah. Hopefully they didn't push it. Well, this is not push, it's touch, so it's good. I'm gonna just go in the back and make sure it's tight. I guess it looks alright if you look from here. You know, it might work if I screw it in first, just like original, because I kind of make this looks alright. So I'm gonna push it out. I don't know how much I had to do, so I'm gonna take it out, take the plug and everything. I'm gonna plug everything first, make sure ain't nothing hard underneath here. I'm gonna start plugging the jacks. Remote turn on. This is an amp turn on right there, so I gotta turn this on. I gotta tap it with the blue wire. Antenna. It might have it already, amp turn on already. I might not have to worry about it. Antenna, I'm gonna plug in the camera. I'm gonna plug this piece. This is go to the USB. And then I'm gonna plug this with this right here. It's the beep, the ding antenna. Alright, let's go to the car. Oh, and GPS. Plug the GPS in there first. Alright, let's come back to here. So basically what I've done, I plug all everything, the OSB, the USB, everything already. And then, whoa, there's two antenna. That's weird. The antenna they gave is the right one. I thought it was this one. I mean, it can literally can go here, but there's another antenna right there. So I can grab it back. Plug it in like so. And right here, I already plugged the power and everything already. Right here, this ding right there, you can literally put it anywhere behind there. Just kind of, it's got a glue right there. It's a door chime type deal. So I'm gonna put it right here for him. I don't know what this is for. I wonder if he got an amp. I don't think he have anything in the back. Let me double check this. Oh, it does have an amp. So he need an amp hooked up. So a remote's gonna go here for an amplifier. If I didn't know that, I would be take it out again and redo it. So I'm gonna take this out. Cut it with that blue wire. Cut it, I mean tap it, crimp it. I'm gonna tape it because I see there's a copper sticking out right here. That's not good. Every time you do with electrical work, you want to make sure there's nothing can touch each other. That's where people have a short. If you have a short, that's no good. Plug in this factory USB. I'm gonna plug in all the power. What match? That's what it is. It's more of plug and play for a certain thing unless you have problems. That's what a lot of people don't understand right here. So basically right there, I'm not gonna hook this up. I bypass this because this model is not the same. The plug is right, but the wiring is not the same. So I got the blue is blue should be negative, and then the pink is positive. This is positive, this is negative. So you plug it to the camera, backup camera, which is a single wire right here. And then since he got an amplifier, you need to hook up this wire right there. There's a spool of wire that's got right here. Most of them come with a mic. This radio doesn't have a mic, so I'm not hooking up the mic. I'm just gonna do the front wiring. So for some reason I have a lot of bad luck using just a subwoofer output right there. So I'm just using a front line output, front left and front right. So I'm gonna plug that to the right there, and then I'm gonna just kind of, you know, plug it in. Well, I'm gonna plug this one in. This is for the data CAN bus. This is show the doors open and all that good stuff. Wiring look a little bit messed up, messy, but it'll be fine. Just make sure that there's no copper or anything sticking out, such and such like that. This is it right here, because this plug is not exactly the same. If it was the same, just plug and play and you're good to go. I am gonna do it right here. Plug it on. I have a little bit issue earlier with the plug doesn't plug in right. Where is my earlier? This is for the original, well, not original, factory aftermarket backup camera that was installed here before. I'm gonna just tape that up, put it back right there. I'm gonna make sure everything works before I said yes, it works, and then fix up the wire and call it a day. I hope I can call it a day. And now, whoop, I got it upside down. That's definitely not a day. Right there, I'm gonna keep it for a second. I'm gonna make sure it works. Looking for the key. All of these are not plugged in yet. This is for all those heat and everything else. Let me see if I got sound. I should have sound. Yep.
Our radio app today. Continue it.
Yep.
Hey, this is Steven Tyler from Aerosmith.
Classic hits.
Yeah, they did have a subwoofer in the back, so all we are good right there.
93.3.
Now I'm just plug everything back in. You guys know what to do, and I'll show you at the end. Bye. I'm gonna look at this. So I got the sound right there. Turn it back down because YouTube. And this is all I can do. I make it decent. I'm not the best when it comes to cutting this. I don't think anybody, unless you got the right machine for it, but definitely gonna have some sort of gaps. So that's why I use this cloth tape to cover that. That thing ain't gonna come off easy. So customer, I already told the customer it looks good. I told them it's not gonna be the same. I'm gonna take this car out right here, so you can go to Wi-Fi right here, picking up Wi-Fi. You can let me plug in Wi-Fi real quick. So everything's plugged in, and then I already log into the Wi-Fi already. Now I'm trying to connect to YouTube. I'm gonna start me searching myself. Khmer guy. Khmer mean Khmer. Khmer, it's another word for a French word for Cambodian. So Khmer, Ohio. I might have to change that. If you guys have any idea of the name I should change it to, that'd be perfect right there. And then now, oh, I don't see anything. Let's try it again. Okay, now, oh, I clicked too fast. See, there I am right here. So, yep, that's for YouTube. And if you want to go to video, pull it up a little bit. Here's an old video I had, not old, a couple days old. Click on it. It's downloading. It's a little bit slow because any That's what you have to worry about, a RAM. You know, you get a 264, 2 gig at 64. It's faster, or you can get a little bit slower like this, but sometimes it's an internet thing, so I don't know why it's not playing yet, but wow, here we go. So it's got sound, but I'm not gonna play it, and then I can skip it. There's another one playing. I'll skip another one then. Yeah. So I'll just leave it that be. I'm gonna go to home, and I can show you a few other things that this thing got. Let me click on this. I don't know what. Oh, this is for the GPS. Don't want that. It's a little bit slow though. I mean, this thing is only 139, so believe it, it's not that fast. I'm gonna click home. I'm gonna go to, I don't know what all these right there. Oh, that's a music. Definitely can't do that. So here's all the stuff that you might need, that you might want to look at. An aux, video output, calendar, auxiliary input, that's a USB thing, Spotify, Maze, YouTube, here, that, Bluetooth, file name, setting, you can change the setting, the sound. I'm gonna get some higher tone on it a little bit right there for him. You can set that right there, and that's in the middle. Z-Link, you can click on that so you can watch YouTube without going to the Wi-Fi. I mean, other than that, that's how it is. That's how it's hooked up.